the church. With church, you go in the proper biblical language. And then your life, your family, your spiritual life, your physical life, your social life will be blessed because He is the head and He is the founder of the church. Secondly, if Jesus is the head of the church, Bible says, I will build my church, and the gates of hell shall not prevail against it. Then this church will be powerful. Okay, this church will be powerful. If Jesus is the head of this church, Rongmei, Baptist Rahkai, will be powerful church. And then you will have the power, to correct the families. You will have the power to lead and to train the younger children for the Lord. And also you will have power over demons, over Satan. The demons, Satan, or the evil spirit always try to destroy families and then life. But if Jesus Christ is the head of the church, you will have the power over them. That means your business will be thriving. Your families will be beautiful. Your children will be obedient. And the gates of hell have nothing to do with anything with you. Because you have power over them. And the third, Bible says here, I will give the keys of the kingdom of heaven. Wow. You are not only going to be a powerful church, but you are going to be an authoritative church. That means you have the authority of the gospel. Keys, I always talk about the authority. Jesus said, I will give you the authority to lead in the gospel ministry, to preach the gospel to the lost and dying people, so that one day this Rongmei Baptist Rahkai will become a missionary sending church. And you will have many young people grow up supporting the missionaries. And many young people grow up and become a missionary. Many young people grow up and will become pastor. Because Jesus said, I will give you the keys. This key is not a singular key, Jesus said, I will give you keys. Keys to the kingdom of God. Think about that. The keys to the kingdom of God. That you have the authority to preach the gospel. You have the authority to support the missionaries. You have the authority to build more churches. You have the authority. It's not to propagate the gospel of